You eating your banana? Yeah. Show me how you eat it. Eat it. Take a bite. Need some yogurt? Want a bite of yogurt? Here. Oh, oh, mommy dripped. Hold on. You gonna eat it? Like a big boy. You're feeding yourself your banana. Yeah. Is that exciting? Yeah. Don't play with it, just eat it, okay? You want mommy to hold it? Or you want to hold it? So you're eating your breakfast, your yogurt, and your fruit. Good boy. You didn't bite it though. Get it. Don't take too big of a bite now. I love you, mister. You're such a big boy.